In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an app icon in Figma, a simple and efficient process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, creating an app icon is a fundamental skill that every designer needs, and Figma makes it incredibly accessible due to its collaborative interface design. So, let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Figma's homepage. It's important to ensure you're on the official site because you want to take full advantage of Figma's powerful and user-friendly design tools. Once you're there, proceed by clicking on the Login button. If you don't already have an account, you may need to sign up, which is a straightforward process that Figma guides you through step by step. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on Figma's home screen. This is your dashboard for accessing all your projects, past and present. You'll want to head over to the design section, which is your starting point for creating new designs or continuing work on existing ones. Once you're situated in the design area, the next step involves clicking on the action option. This will provide a variety of options and tools that are vital for your design process. Here, you'll want to utilize the search functionality to look up the app icon. This search capability is one of Figma's strongest features, allowing you to quickly locate the precise tools and resources you need among its extensive offerings. When your search results populate, you'll find the app icon generator. Click on it to proceed. This generator is an incredible tool in Figma that simplifies the process of designing app icons, offering a plethora of customizable options to help you achieve the look and feel that perfectly aligns with your app's aesthetic and brand identity. With the app icon generator open, the final step is to click on Run. This action activates the generator, allowing you to begin customizing your icon. You'll be able to explore and apply different shapes, colors, and styles to create an app icon that is not only visually appealing but also distinctive and in tune with your design vision. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you have successfully created a professional quality app icon in Figma. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore Figma's capabilities, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has made the process of creating an app icon clear and approachable. Don't forget to let your creativity guide you as you continue designing. Happy designing, and until next time, keep creating.